Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we got Access Financial Services Limited, one of the leading microfinance companies in the market. Dividend declaration here. It's a nice one. Access Financial Advisory, that dividend payment, Jamaican 10 cents per share. It was declared. It's going to be paid closer to the end of this month, August 30th, 2022. Now, Future Energy Source Company Limited, dividend consideration here. It tells us the board of FESCO, they're going to be meeting the board of directors on August 12th. Right in time for earnings reports as well, or around that time. Probably the earnings, the quarterly numbers should be coming out around that time, August 12th, August 15th or so. You know, hotly watched stock on the JSE or the market, one of the darlings of the market. Now, FESCO says the dividend payment is for the year ended March 31st, 2022. Now, get into some earnings here. Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica Limited, better known as Purity, registering a profitable quarter. They needed this one for the second quarter for Purity. Now, this is the quarter ended June 30th, 2022. Purity registered net profit of 13.4 million Jamaican versus in the previous year a net loss 14.4 million. That's a big swing there, 27 million or so Jamaican dollars year over year. Now the revenue, just as impressive, 341.9 million big ones for the quarter versus 241.3 million year over year. For the 6 months or the half year, Purity's revenue getting better here, 720 million. Comparatively, that's 35% up year over year, and net profit just under 30 million Jamaican or 13 cents per share. Next up tonight, we got Sagicor Select Funds here, the updated net asset value. Don't mix it up with the market prices. Advisory by Sagicor Select Funds as at August 5th, 2022. The net asset values respectively for Sagicor Select Funds, this financial and manufacturing distribution. Financial just under 75 cents per share. Manufacturing distribution still under $1.10 per share, $1.09 and change to be exact. That's Select MD. That one has really kind of gotten beaten up in the last couple of weeks and pulled back. Last up tonight, we got Seprod Ltd. Talk about the deal here, the mergers and acquisitions. That's the whole Bryden and Sons deal, or Bryden Group in Trinidad and Tobago, really adding to the second quarter numbers here, or the results by Seprod. Second quarter earnings here surging 33% by Seprod for the 3 months ended June 30th. Revenue skyrocketed to 15.9 billion from 10.2 billion year over year. That's 56% growth by Seprod. Amazing growth there. You read that management discussion analysis, not all public companies do it, and it tells you specifically that Trinidad deal there coming into the June figures. That's only 1 month of the second quarter, really helped with that revenue growth. We say it again on Business Live, 56% year over year. Net profit also improved. What we love on Business Live, improved to 984 million Jamaican from 661 million Jamaican. You're talking about here just for the quarter, $1.20 Jamaican earnings per share versus 90 cents overall in terms of total earnings per share. That's just for the quarter. You analyze that, you get into a big number if they can keep this pace. And also remember, it's just 1 month in a quarter for Bryden Group in the Seprod numbers. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great evening. This is Business Live.